Today we've got special visitors, very big YouTubers, our strength, our support. They are here to see Miss V and to see me as well. So now I can call upon themselves to represent themselves so that you can see them for yourself.
Yes.
Hey guys, hey guys.
Come up,
Hello
Ah,
guys,
no.
hello guys.
That was good,
Pachawa
eh?
yamkhoba khetha. Finally, I'm here. Good to see you, my brother.
Ah, thank you, my
Well done. Welcome to the YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a very long way. I want to say it like that
Uh-huh.
because each and every time when I just think of satisfying my fans,
Uh-huh.
it's a very big burden for myself. So
No, it doesn't have to be a bad thing. Just take it easy. You got it normal, just from inside.
it is
You are doing it. So far, you're doing very well. So, you guys, I'm here. I'm Tando Mahleka, the village girl, all the way from Lower Gwelo. I'm so excited to be here with my brother here.
uyakhuluma sisi wami.
Yeah, ngiyakhuluma.
Ogwele kunjani?
Great, kunjani ngapha?
Ukukhula ka uyawazi.
Hayi ngiyacula kancinci ngiyazama nje.
Okay.
Yes.
Uyabongeka. Ko omunye esinaye futhi ngubani?
Luana, my little sister. Oh, you see, guys, we just avoiding the baby.
Oh,
She's
that's
holding
nice.
a baby.
So guys, this is very nice. It's wonderful. And if you see a house without the visitors, that house is dead totally.
Hey.
So we are very excited.
No, we are happy to be here as well. Tambogara tingoonaka my videos. Now finally seeing this place like in real life.
Yeah.
It's actually very beautiful and very peaceful, you guys. Very peaceful. Well done, guys. Well done. And thank you, Budine kubatira kwamurita sisa. Thank you so much.
Unongochita kuti sekunhuka ungangoti ndagara pamba ungoti kanongogara no. Unofana kumboona kuti uchimboita maexercise pano.
I'm so like guys, the support that he is giving to Miss Vika.
It's too
Those
much.
who don't
Yeah.
know, this is brother to Miss V. I'm so happy you guys like the support is just too much. And thank you so much, Buti. We really appreciate this support.
I also appreciate your support for me again because already on my channel subscribed. You are there. Even
How many
though-
are we now?
we are now 87. That's a very
87.
good, it's a good
No,
number.
you get there.
It's a
Don't
good
worry.
number.
So guys, we want 100 more. We want 180. Oh, let's make it 200
Really?
subscribers. Yes, let's make it 200. Tikuda kutoka support as you daro mkoma kita.
Ini kutoimba ndoimba ndinoziva. Ndakati wabva kumabasa ukashaya wapinda pachannel yangu unoona zvingakuvaraidzewo.
So remember to gospel or what?
Yangu ini ndiye ndakaita paCentral Music yekuti ine umwari asi ndichingorayira mazera ose haisi kuti tingatotamba museve totamba kasi ndida kungosvitsa message.
Wow, well done, brother. Thank you guys.